Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Chanté, and I am back with another video. If you're new here, what's up with it? Please be sure to hit that subscription button, followed by the notification bell so you are updated when I post new videos weekly. And if you've been here, welcome back. I would really appreciate it if you guys would follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Clubhouse. I will leave the information for all of those in the description box below. So in today's video, I am going to be bringing to you guys my review on this flat iron that was sent to me by DUVOLLE. I have worked with this brand several times in the past, usually on the skincare side, so I was really excited when they asked me if I would review their flat iron series. So this is their ceramic flat iron, and I will be doing a review on how this is the best flat iron for your synthetic headband wigs. So if you want to see and hear my honest opinions on this, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going in here brushing the hair. I just finished blowing it out. I'm really surprised at how well this took. I mean, granted, I did use my Dyson, which is a great blow dryer, but this hair was working really well with it. It did shed a lot through blowing it out, but I expect shedding. It's not a real hair. It's not a real head, I mean, so I expect that. So I'm just showing you guys what the texture of it looks like and how it is I'm working it out. For this hair, it is really, really nice. So this is what I'll be using, as mentioned before, the DUVOLLE flat iron, and this is their Desire series flat iron in the ceramic, and it is a really nice flat iron, and again, it comes in that metallic pink color. It is super, super cute, and it feels so comfortable in your hand. So just to give you guys a better look of it, it is a really, really pretty flat iron, and it is so lightweight. I just love the way it's designed and that how nice it fits in the hand without causing any irritation. So as mentioned, it has the two buttons where you can turn the actual flat iron all the way around, and then the on and off switch. So here's a better view of it. It goes from 140 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and you have that on and off switch. The logo, the brand logo on it again, and really nice flat iron. This is a really, really nice flat iron. We are starting here. You can see me pulling the hair just to separate it. I already went in flat iron most of the hair, so I'm just showing you guys what it was like to flat iron just a little bit of this hair, and then I will go in and finish it on my own. But the flat iron took really nicely to this hair, so I'm just going to clip that in with my duck clip and get my Denman brush, which I used to flat iron this just because I just needed something to have a nice glide on it. Even with that smoking, so the smoking showed up on camera, I didn't see it in person, but the smoking does not make any scent, any smell. It was no issue doing this hair. I literally could just glide this thing all the way through the hair, and it was perfect. Like, no issues at all with this hair. Now, I don't actually have a wig stand. I do have the wig head, but the stand that I'm using is just a regular tripod, so the head continuously keeps moving all the way around. So trying to get the best angle for you guys on that here. This really worked amazing, and you can see how nice and buttery that hair looks. Here you can see the difference between the two sides of the head. You have the straightened side and the side that was blow dried. So I did go in obviously with the argan oil, but I just wanted to show you guys up close what it looked like between the two sides. The textures of a lot more frizzy from the side that was just blow dried. The ends definitely look a lot more fried on that side, and then the side that actually was flat ironed is so much more smooth, silky, and the shine was a lot better in that side. So there is just the two sides, and also you can see too, like I mentioned, the tracks on how it is, so it's kind of difficult to part this down the middle. So I usually just brush the middle back and then try to separate it from side to side, but you can see those ends really looking kind of fried there. So this is just the hair, and I'm going to go in and flat iron the rest of it, and then I'm going to show you guys my final thoughts. I'll jump in at the middle of this video to bring to you guys this that was sent to me, which is this watch here from FILIPPO. This watch is made of stainless steel, and it shows you the days of the week, month, and the actual day. It'll actually tell you the day, not just the number. So this watch here tells you the days of the week, like the actual day, the numeric number of the day of the week and the month, and it also has the moon phase here. It is stainless steel. The brace is like a mesh stainless steel that you have around it. What I love about it is that you can adjust it. Normally whenever I go and buy watches or get watches for myself, I go to the store to get it adjusted, but you can literally adjust it in the comfort of your own home by just unhooking this bracket, and then it allows you to slide it back and forth where you need it to be, so that way it is at the right tightness for your actual wrist. This is a 40 millimeter and it is 9 millimeters in thickness. So this watch is water resistant up to 15 meters, and it has a sapphire crystal glass. Now, they actually ended up sending me 2 of them, so I will be doing a giveaway of this second watch. If you want to enter the giveaway, please be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, as well as like this video, leave a comment below of your favorite place to get jewelry, and be subscribed. This giveaway will last for probably about 2 weeks, and I will announce the winners on my Instagram like I usually do, so be sure to be following me there if you want to enter into this giveaway. Again, this is the Filippo Latori Venus Moon Phase Gold Mesh Watch. This is the final look with my hair. My hair is so silky soft, like it is so soft, and the hair was generally soft when I bought it, but I was really excited to be able to take this flat iron and try it out on this hair. It can be like up and down sometimes when you have synthetic wigs, especially because I had the temperature all the way at the top notch and it did not burn. I mean, there was not even like a smell of burning with this hair, so I really enjoyed that part of it. So this flat iron, again, from the DUVOLLE brand, the Desire series, is a ceramic flat iron. It has floating plates that help to leave the hair silky, soft, and smooth. The floating plates also help to eliminate frizz and add long-lasting shine, which I definitely see that in my hair. Like, the hair feels extremely soft to the touch, and you could definitely go in if you wanted a more pin straight flat iron. I kind of wanted it to be more of that like realistic, kinky, kind of like straightening. So I really enjoyed that part. And the only thing that I have added to my hair was my argan oil, just to add that extra boost. And when I tell you, the hair is so very silky and so very soft. Now, here is the flat iron itself. It is in this beautiful metallic pink color, and what I will say is that if you've ever had a Chi, this shape reminds me of just that, the Chi flat iron. Now, the only caveat to that is that what I noticed is usually when I flat iron my hair, this part of my hand right here gets really irritated from holding the flat iron the whole time. And I literally flat ironed this entire wig and had no issues, no problems. And you know how when you put the flat iron really high, it gets really hot? I did not have that issue where it gets hot and it was burning my hand at all. And I had this all the way up on 400 to flat iron this wig. So I really love that. What I do think is really interesting too, and if you have flat irons, you already know this, the shape of this is contoured in a way that it will allow you to curl the hair also. Now, I haven't really mastered that, but what I will say is that it's not a hard thing. If you want like a nice tight curl, you just gotta really like, you know, flick of the wrist, keep moving it around. But because of the shape of this, there are some flat irons that are like more rectangle. Because it's got that nice round groove, it allows you to take the hair and twist it so that way you can come out with a nice curl pattern. Now again, I'm not really the best at that, so I would just really use this for flat ironing my hair. But I do think that if that is something that you're into and that you know that you want to curl and flat iron your hair, it'd be so great to then just buy the flat iron, because you can do both instead of just having to have multiple tools. So that is something that I think that is a benefit with this flat iron. Again, this pink metallic color is absolutely, like, pink is my favorite color, so I could be a little bit biased, but it's literally everything. You can see the brand logo here on this flat iron, and it comes with a long cord that also comes with a tie, which is very, very useful. My Dyson does not have it, or it might have, but I definitely lost it. It doesn't have this white here, and this makes it so easy and convenient to store. So now what I say with my reviews on this, at $28.50, this is the best flat iron I feel like you can buy for your wigs. You're buying a wig, you're buying synthetic wigs so that way you can find something that is least expensive and that will work. This here literally looks like real hair. This can be my hair coming out of my head, and I love the texture. I love how it keeps it shining and it didn't fry the hair. That was the biggest thing for me, was would this flat iron fry the hair, and it did not. So I think that's a definite plus with this flat iron, is that you can use it on your synthetic wigs, and you can also use it on your regular hair. Once you blow dry your hair, this will definitely work. It gets to 450 degrees. The plates are extremely smooth and soft, where you won't find your hair getting stuck stuck in that groove where sometimes like at the corners up there with these flat irons, the hair can get stuck. Literally, you'll have no problem gliding this. I love how smooth and buttery this is. And what I do love is the shape of this here. Now, sometimes when you have product in your hair, things build up on the side, but usually the plates are square. This plates here also have that rounded side to just make it completely smooth whenever you're flat ironing. So when you are curling, you still get that flat iron to be really smooth and add that texture to your hair. I think this is an amazing buy as a flat iron for $28.50. You're getting 70% off on this flat iron, and you can use it on all your wigs. Like literally, you can take any wig and transform it with this flat iron. So I definitely think you guys should check this out. I am happy that they sent me this. Thank you, DUVOLLE, for continuously checking me out, watching my videos, and adding your products to my catalog of things that I review. I really appreciate being able to be a small YouTuber that is able to review such an incredible brand, and the effects that the products from the skincare and now even the hair care have had on me are extremely beneficial, and I wouldn't review products or recommend these things if I didn't think they were good. So I will leave the information for this flat iron in the description box below, as well as the information for this wig if you're interested. Headband wigs are literally a lifesaver, and why not get some tools and products that will work for you at an affordable price. There's no sense in spending $30 on a wig and then having to spend $500 on a flat iron or a blow dryer. So definitely check this out in the description below. I hope this was informative. I hope that you guys go also and check out this wig. I'm like literally loving this. This is my go-to wig for conference calls and working from home, and now I can actually have a new style with this being flat ironed, and I just love the way that this flat iron left it so smooth and silky. And the biggest thing for me was the ends not being fried, and it's just like it literally could be my hair coming out of my head. So that is amazing for me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with 5 of your friends, and have them share it with 5 of their friends so we can grow this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.